Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can exchange your BNB to USDT in Binance. It's quite easy. All you need to do is make sure you have a Binance account. And if you do not have an account by now, by simply using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebate when you register and verify your account. So guys, with your verified account, you could head over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen so you have a look at all your cryptocurrencies from the overview. And if you scroll to your spot, you'd find some of your BNB or your funding, depending on where your BNB is stored. Now, with this knowledge, simply head over to the home and simply select the convert icon that's just here. Once you've selected the convert option, please make sure you click on the 1 inch or whatever crypto is shown there and search for the BNB. Click on BNB and proceed to click on USDT. And now, where we have the spot wallet, click on the spot wallet drop down and select the funding wallet. We're doing this because my crypto is stored on the funding wallet as well as the spot wallet. Now simply click on max, or you enter the amount of USDT you require. Let's say you want $300 worth of USDT for your BNB. All you need to do is simply enter an amount. So now click on the amount you wish to convert to, click on preview conversion, click on convert, and boom, it's successful. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can go about any of these, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.